just a quick follow-up to my last video. My last video, I banged those hinges around and made these barn doors shut correctly, but I didn't finish this job. So this morning I ran out here, and if you remember, stuff was coming down here and hitting this. So I ended up filling this void with a piece of 3/16 flat stock, and I can't do it because it's locked now, but I still retained the ability to dump or tailgate stone, if you will. They don't use that much. I was going to just kind of weld this shut and lose that ability to tailgate, but I thought, I'll do it. A lot of welding. I filled this gap there and on the underside, so that's pretty good. And I also, these doors probably 50, 75, probably 75 pounds. Okay, and you swing them open and the stop hits right there. Okay, and then when you're going to dump, you pull this pin out, you push it like that, you put that pin back in, and that keeps the barn door open on both of these. Well, and then when the trailer dumps, these doors come backwards until they hit that, and they twist and turn, and this is not oversized steel by any means. So I ended up redoing this whole apparatus. So we're done with this pin. Okay, no more of that. So what I did was I built a little mechanism. Okay, a couple of pieces of pipe, and that end is longer than that end, and you just bring this back, put that in there, and then put that same cotter pin back, and that door is not going anywhere. When you're done, put that back there, put that back in travel position, and put that there. I know a lot of trailers have much better systems for holding the barn doors open when you're dumping, but a lot of them don't have the ability to tailgate and pivot right there. So I wanted to retain that ability. So that's just the update. Now we should be done with this trailer. Anyway, watch my last video, and then maybe this will make sense. See ya. Bye-bye.